welcome back to another session. Today we'll be doing lecture series number 5, which is practically question 3 of Gauteng Prelim 2016 paper 1 and 2 lecture series. Okay, so without wasting time, let us look at question 3, subsection 3.1. Okay, so subsection 3.1, they say, subsection 3.1 is the shortest subsection. So I think I will just integrate it with subsection 3.2, okay? And then the rest of the subsections will do them in lecture series number 5, okay? So in this case, they say we are given a sequence, okay? This is the given sequence, which is -8, -2, -3, -2. We have got 8 and we have got 22, okay? So we're given this sequence, okay? Can you see this -8? Okay, let me rewrite it very well. It's -8, it's -2, it's 8, it's 22, okay? So when we're given such what do you call this, a sequence, we need to identify what type of a sequence this is, okay? Is it arithmetic? Is it geometric? Is it quadratic? Okay, because now it is not specific on which sequence is this. They said given the sequence. They don't tell us what type of a sequence this is. Okay, so let us find out what type of a sequence this is. Okay, let us find the difference. Okay, so usually what I do is I try to check if whether is it quadratic first. Okay, because quadratic has got a lot of arithmetic to do there, because like you have to be very intuitive when you do that thing. Okay, so that's why I always start with that one. Okay, so let us start with that. So let me see, -2 minus 8, this will give me 6. 8 minus -2, this will give me 10. I see a sequence here. Okay, I see a sequence here, and yeah, which means from straight on we can see that this is a quadratic sequence. Okay, because of course we do have our first difference and I've got our second common difference. Okay, so the first question in this subsection says that 3.1.1, determine or write down the next term. Okay, sorry, it's write down the next term, not determine. Write down the next term. Okay, how do you find the next term? Okay, how do you find the next term? I want you to look at something, guys. Okay, this term is created by adding these two numbers. This is how you create the third term. You add this number and its first difference. So which means for me to find the next term that comes after here, so which is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 is given by 24. Okay, so there is a number that I'm going to have here. There is a number that I'm going to have here. So let me have the 4. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 22. Okay, so it's going to be 18 plus 22. This is going to give us our T5, because the common difference has to also be, the second common difference has to be the same for each and every term. So therefore, the answer is going to be 40, which is our term 5. Okay, so 18 plus 22 should give me 40. Okay, so how did I get this 40, guys? I checked. Okay, I saw that they have to be a solution or a number which has got a 4 as a common second difference, and then that 4 I added to the previous first difference, which is the predecessor, and then I got 18, and then I just add the two numbers such that I can get the fifth term. Okay, so 3.1.2. okay, 3.1.2, they say determine the general formula. Okay, so they want us to find Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. Okay, and what we know is for us to find the value of a, we need to equate 2a being equals to that. For us to find b, we need to equate 3a plus b is equals to that. And for us to find c, we need to equate a plus b plus c to be equals to that. Okay, so therefore this means that I'll do it just here. 2a is equals to 4, it means that a is equals to 2. Okay, so 3 times 2 plus b is equals to 6. This is 6. 6 plus b is equals to 6, which means b is equals to 0, because 6 minus 6 is 0. And then let us find c. A, okay, a is just 2, b is 0, and then we don't have c, which is what we are finding, is dead. So c is negative 10. Okay, c is negative 10. Okay, I hope you are following me, guys. Okay, c is negative 10. Okay, c is negative 10. So what happens is, now we're just going to take all these three terms and we're going to substitute them here. So our value of a is 2n squared, our value of b, we do not need to write it, and our value of c is negative 10. Okay, but I've got a way. This is my way. I love to do it this way. I'm not saying I invented this way. I'm saying this is my favorite method of solving this. Okay, this is my favorite method of solving this. So I like to use this equation. This equation, it has somewhat a lot of work, but I love this equation. Okay, d1, which is the first difference, plus n minus 1, n minus 2 divided by 2, the second difference. Okay, so this equation is there. This equation is allowed. Okay, if you write the solution in terms of this equation, then the solution is going to give you the same thing. So what is the first term? The first term is negative 8 plus n minus 1. What is the first difference? It's 6 plus, oh, I wrote it too close. Okay, I wrote it too close. So let's check here. We're going to have negative 8 plus n minus 1. Our first difference is 6 plus n minus 1, n minus 2 divided by 2. Our second difference is 4. And as you can see, here I've got 1, here I've got 2. Then what we are going to have here is, we're going to have this negative 8 plus 6n minus 6 plus, now let's have this 2 here, and then let us expand this. We're going to have n squared minus this times that, and this times that, minus 3n, this times that, plus 2. Okay, so this is what we have here. So what we are going to have is negative 8, but I can add the 2, right? Negative 8 and negative 6, which is negative 14 plus 6n plus 2n squared minus 6n plus 4. Okay, plus 4. Okay, so as you can see, this and that will give me 0, and then I'm going to have the solution of 2n squared. Negative 14 plus that is minus 10, which is the same solution. Okay, so even if you can do it this way or that way, you choose. I always say to my students that there are many ways to kill the cat, and there are many cats to kill the way. So you choose if you want to have many ways to kill a cat, or you want many cats to kill the way, but it's your choice. So guys, I'll see you in the next lecture session, the lecture series number 6. Thank you guys. Please don't liking and subscribing. Thank you very much.